Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, September the 29th. Well, a small-bodied red candle today, and this doesn't give us a lot of confidence in the new first-time frame trend rally that the market is in. Yesterday we had an extremely bullish day with the bulls in control and showing very strong commitment and a close up above the 1060 resistance level. Today, though, all of that bullishness has evaporated. That can happen quite often when we have a market going to an extreme very quickly. And the good thing for the bulls is, though, that the bears haven't really taken control of this market. There's no strength being shown from the bears. That doesn't mean, though, that we won't necessarily have a new first time frame downtrend in place in the next few days. The market is very indecisive. We have another one of these spinning top type candles with a very small body and a shadow on either end. Slightly larger shadow on the upside, which means that there's probably been a little bit greater downside price rejection than upside. So that might be a small clue that there is potential for a change of trend, but still a very indecisive candle here. Now the market is, though, still in the first time frame uptrend, so we need to confirm a change of trend before we trade this at all. We have resistance here around the 1073, and then at the swing high at the 1080 level. And the market will need to trade up through there for any substantial price appreciation. If the market does trade down, we have a change of trend. We have support at 1044, at the swing low, roughly 1040, and then certainly at the Kijun Sen at 1035. If we do have a first time frame downtrend, we will have in place potential for a lower peak. If that first time frame downtrend continues down and takes out the peak here at 1040, then we will actually have a second time frame downtrend in place. Now this is looking ahead a fair bit, but there is potential for that to happen. So just looking at it, if we have a peak, a trough, potentially a lower peak, and then potentially a lower trough, we have potential for a second time frame downtrend. Now, it doesn't mean that it will happen. Just be aware that there is potential for that to happen if we do end up with a first time frame downtrend in place. And there is a possibility, because the bullishness has evaporated, we have an indecisive candle where neither the bulls nor the bears are strong. To the downside, we also have support here at the Kijun Sen, which is at 1036. And interestingly, the Kijun Sen has turned flat. And we know that when the Kijun Sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action. So there is potential for the market to continue or to begin trending down towards this area. So we really do need to keep an eye on it. We are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and a fair way up above there. We're trading up above the Kijun Sen, and the Tenkan Sen is above the Kijun Sen. So some very positive factors in favor of this market continuing higher. There is potential for the market to trade down below the Tenkan Sen, which could mean short-term weakness. It hasn't happened yet, and the Tenkan Sen is actually holding as an area of support and resistance. The market is oscillating around the Tenkan Sen at the moment, which means that the market is in a short-term equilibrium. So basically what we need to do is keep an eye on the high of the current candle for a potential continuation of the first time frame uptrend. And the bulls will be wanting a solid close up above this 1080 level for a substantial appreciation that we've identified as possible over the next few weeks if that area is taken out solidly. Or keep an eye on the low of the current candle for a potential lower high and lower low to test the support levels for a potential second time frame downtrend.